To start off, if you don't already have it, you're going to want to go to Settings, Dockers. You're going to want to click Animation Curves and Animation Timeline. At the bottom, we have our timeline and we have our curves. We're also going to create a new layer. We're going to call it Snow. You're going to go to your timeline and you're going to click this little square here, this first one. Then just take your brush and start putting in your snow. When you're putting in your snow, it's a good idea to vary the size of the snow and also the distance between each snowball. So for example, not doing something perfectly symmetrical, evenly spaced, all the exact same size. We're gonna vary up the size and the distance between them to make it look a little more natural, a little less stiff. Okay, so once you got that done, we're going to press Control T and we're going to move it down so we can just barely see it. Press Enter. We're going to get our brush again. We're going to do that one more time. So just fill out your canvas. Some varying size snow. That's a little too big. Alright, once that's all done, we're going to press Control T. We're going to move it back to the starting position we had. Press Enter. Now that that's done, we're going to go to our snow layer. We're going to right click, Add, and then Add Transform Mask. We're then going to click on Animation Curves. We're going to press this line with a little plus on it. We're going to go back to the timeline and we're going to decide how long we want the animation to be. So let's say this animation is 54 frames long, so I'm going to click on the 54, go back to Animation Curves, and press that line with a plus again. So now we have this line in Animation Curves. I'm going to click on the canvas, or you can press Control T, and I'm going to move it down to that second position. I'm going to press Enter. Now if we go back to the timeline and we play our animation, the snow will fall. The replay can be a little choppy, but yeah. If you would like to adjust the speed, you can press this square over here and adjust the frame rate. So it's at 24 right now, something like 12 would be a bit slower. So here's what our animation looks like right now. I'm going to show you how to apply a blur filter. So we're going to click on our snow layer. We're going to click these two little squares right here to duplicate it. I'm going to hide the original snow layer so you can see what we're doing. On the copy of our snow layer, I'm going to right click, Add Filter Mask. We're on Gaussian Blur, and we can adjust how strong we want our blur to be. So I'm going to go for around 28. Click OK. Now if we play the animation, all of the snow has been blurred. If you like, you can keep the hard snow underneath it. So that is basically it for this snow animation tutorial. I'll see you in the next video.